Yo, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? ReVoN here, and welcome to another tutorial. In this one I'm going to explain to you how to make the rounded rectangle with the rounded corners in Adobe InDesign. I tried to figure out how to do it, and it's not as easy as it is, for example, in Illustrator. So here you go. It is really easy. First of all, you need to make a rectangle. It's on the left over here. Shortcut is M, so press M, you got a rectangle. Put it right over here. To give you the visual of how it works, we're going to give it a stroke. So let's give it a stroke of 5 points. Here you go. Alright, so the only thing you need to do is to make the rounded corners is you go to Object and you go to Corner Options. This window will pop up, and here you can see all the settings for your corners. Make sure that Preview is selected so you can see what you're working with. By default, everything is linked. So if I would change the top left corner, which is over here, you can see the blue square over here, which indicates which corner you're working on, and you change that to rounded, you can see all of them are the same. If you change the radius of it, let's say put it to 10, you can see that they're all changing the same. You can use different kinds of corners. So for example, you got the bevel, you have the reverse, which is like an emblem. You have the inset, so you got all kinds of different options. You got the fancy one. I'm not sure in what case you would use this one, but you have it. So if you want to say you want to make a rounded rectangle or a round rectangle, but you only want to round the certain or specific corner, you will unbox this one, and let's say the top one to 0, the bottom right to 0, and the other one, let's say to 40. As you can see, they're all different. You can even change this one to 20. You can change that one to 10 if you want. Doesn't look very off or good, but you can do whatever you want. And that's pretty much everything. So now you know how to make a rounded rectangle in Adobe InDesign. If you got any questions, put them in the comment section below. I'll get back to you. And thank you for watching. Cheers. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to leave a like. If not, refresh it, give it another chance. Got questions? Just ask them in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video.